Hi, this is Chip. We're going to change a video card here. Mine wasn't working too well, so my computer was still under warranty, and I ordered a new one. Take a screwdriver, undo the side cover. There's the video card right there. There's an L-shaped bracket you're going to have to take off. Grab your screwdriver again and take that off too. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to get a hold of your graphics card. You're going to push a little button in the back there, so where my finger is, boop, and you're going to pop that little bad boy right out. You're going to grab your the video card, your new video card that you have. You're going to pop it in there. Now, if you're getting a video, that's it. Put all your stuff back together and you're done. If you're getting a new graphics card, it's not the same as the one you're putting in. Make sure to install the software, download the new drivers. But this is pretty much it. Have a good one. Under a minute.